Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: a convenience store at the gas station provides utility for customers because it makes it easy for them to purchase a few essentials when they stop for gasoline. The convenience store belongs to the industry. Option A service, option B manufacturing, option C automotive, option D importing, option E electronics. The correct answer of the question option A. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.